Good morning students. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. What is quadratic expression? An expression of degree 2 is called a quadratic expression, which is expressed as p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where the coefficient of x square a not equal to 0 and a, b, c. What is a? Coefficient of x square, and b, coefficient of x, c, constant term or real numbers. So what is degree 2? Degree means what? The highest power of x. Now you see the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Here the power of x is what? 2, and here the power of x is what? 1. Actually here the power of x is what? 0. So 0, 1, 2, which is the highest power? 2. So degree is 2. If degree is 2, then it is called what? Quadratic expression or quadratic polynomial. Now we will see zeros of quadratic polynomial. What is 0? P of x be a polynomial, any kind of polynomial. If x is equal to a, is called 0 of p of x. If p of a equal to 0. Let us see an example. Find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So take the coefficient of x square, multiply the constant term 6, and x term is what? 5. When we multiply, you have to get 6. When we add, we have to get 5. 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2, 5. So when you write the factors, how you write? X plus 3 into x plus 2. X plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So x plus 3 into x plus 2 you know factors. X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 2 another. Either we can say root or 0. You take this, x is equal to minus 3. So substitute here p of minus 3. Replace x by minus 3. So minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. What is minus 3 square? Plus 9. Plus into minus. Minus 5 3s are 15 plus 6. This 9 plus 16, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. So p of minus 3 is 0. Here you have seen p of a equal to 0. If p of a equal to 0, what could we say? X is equal to 0. So likewise, x is equal to minus 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial p of x. Also, p of minus 2. Replace x by minus 2 now. Minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 square is what? Plus 4. Plus into minus. Minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. You add this 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. So p of minus 2, 0. So p of a equal to 0 means what? X is equal to a is called what? 0 of p of x. So p of minus 2, 0 means what? X is equal to minus 2 is 0 of the given polynomial p of x. Now formation of a quadratic equation. We know what is quadratic equation. Quadratic is not an expression of degree 2 is called what? Quadratic equation. If alpha and beta. If quadratic equation means what? We will have two roots. Take it as alpha and beta are roots of a quadratic equation. Then we can form a quadratic equation using sum of roots and product of roots. Suppose alpha and beta are root means what is sum of roots? Alpha, beta, and the product of roots means what? Alpha into beta. So that is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. So using this formula, we can find a quadratic equation. What is that? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. That is, we can write as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This alpha plus beta is what? Sum of roots. Alpha into beta is what? Product of roots. Now exercise 3.9, first question. Determine the quadratic equations whose sum and the product of roots are minus 9 and 20. So already they given sum and the product. So we will take sum of roots. Sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus 9. Product of roots. alpha into beta equal to 20. So if we know the sum of roots and product of roots, we can form a quadratic equation using the formula. The required quadratic equation is what? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. So x square minus sum of roots what? Minus 9. So minus of minus 9 into x plus product of roots what? 20 equal to 0. So x square minus of minus plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is what? X square plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Now exercise 3.9, first question, second part. Determine the quadratic equation whose sum and the product of roots are 5 by 3 and 4. That is sum of roots what? Alpha plus beta equal to 5 by 3 and the product of roots what? Alpha into beta equal to 4. If we know the sum of roots and the product of roots, easily we can find the quadratic equation by the given formula. So what is the formula? The required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is what? 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 into x plus alpha into beta is what? 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Now we just multiply 3 on both sides. If we multiply by 3, we will get 3x square, and here 3 into 5 by 3 x plus 4 3s are 12 equal to 0. This 3 will be cancelled, so that we can have 3x square minus 5x plus 12 equal to 0 is the required quadratic polynomial. First question, third part. Determine the quadratic equations whose sum and the product of roots are minus 3 by 2 and minus 1. Sum of roots alpha plus beta. Since we have taken alpha is a root and beta is another root. So sum of roots alpha plus beta, already they given question is sum of roots for minus 3 by 2 and product of roots alpha into beta is what? Minus 1. So what is the required quadratic equation? The required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 3 by 2 into x, alpha beta is what? Minus 1 equal to 0. So this we can write as minus of minus plus. So x square plus 3 by 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So either we can cross multiply by 2 or we can multiply by 2 on both sides. If we multiply by 2 on both sides, we will get 2x square plus 2 into 3 by 2 x minus 1 into 2 minus 2. These 2 will be cancelled, so that we can have 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 is the required quadratic polynomial. So exercise 3.9, first question, fourth part. Determine the quadratic equation whose sum and the product of roots are minus of 2 minus a the whole square and a plus 5 the whole square. That is sum of roots alpha plus beta is what? Minus 2 minus a the whole square, and the product of roots what? Alpha and beta, it is a plus 5 the whole square. If we know the sum of roots and the product of roots, how can we find the quadratic equation? The required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x, that is alpha plus beta into x, plus product of roots alpha into beta equal to 0. Here sum of roots what? Minus 2 minus a the whole square. So x square minus, this is formula minus, and what is alpha plus beta? Minus of 2 minus a the whole square into x plus product of roots a plus 5 the whole square equal to 0. So minus of minus plus, so x square plus 2 minus a the whole square into x plus a plus 5 the whole square equal to 0 is the required quadratic polynomial. Now we will see sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation. We know the general form of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So whenever you want to find sum of roots and the product of roots, first we have to bring it in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. After that only we have to find sum of roots and the product of roots. So now, what is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We know that a is what? Coefficient of x square, b is what? Coefficient of x, and c is what? Constant term. So how will you find sum of roots? Sum of roots alpha plus beta. Since we have taken alpha and beta are what? Roots. So alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. B is what? Coefficient of x. A is what? Coefficient of x square. So minus b by a means what? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. And what is product of roots? Alpha into beta equal to c by a. What is c? Constant term. And what is a? Coefficient of x square. So product of roots alpha into beta equal to what? C by a. That is equal to what? Constant term by coefficient of x square. Suppose the given quadratic equation in the variable x square, sometimes they may be changed the variable y. So a y square plus by plus c. That time what is sum of roots? Sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. Now coefficient of y and coefficient of y square. Because here a is what? Coefficient of y square. B is what? Coefficient of y. Don't expect all the time they will be given the same variable x. Sometimes y, sometimes a, sometimes b also they can given. So here a y square plus by plus c. So sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. Now b is what? Coefficient of y. A is what? Coefficient of y square. So minus coefficient of y by coefficient of y square. Likewise, product of roots alpha into beta equal to c by a equal to what? Constant term by coefficient of y square, because our quadratic equation is the variable y. So coefficient of y square. So how will you find sum of roots? Minus b by a, and product of roots alpha and beta is what? C by a. We know what is b and what is a, c and a. Exercise 3.9, second question. Find the sum and product of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. The first quadratic equation is what? X square plus 3x minus 28 equal to 0. So first we have to compare the quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation. So I am comparing with the general form of quadratic equation. What? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is a. Here coefficient of x square is what? 1. So a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x is b, and here coefficient of x is what? 3. So b is equal to 3. And the constant term c, and the given polynomial constant term is c is what? Minus 28. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 28. We know that sum of roots what? Alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. So minus, what is the value of b? It is 3. So minus 3 by 1, of course what? It is minus 3. And product of roots alpha into beta equal to what? C by a. C is constant term and a is what? Coefficient of x square. So constant term is c is what? Minus 28, and the coefficient of x square is what? 1. So minus 28 by 1, it is minus 28. So find the sum and the product of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. So the given quadratic equation is x square plus 3x equal to 0. So we can rewrite this: x square plus 3x plus 0 equal to 0, because here they didn't give the constant term, so we take it as what? 0. So I am comparing with and comparing with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is a? Coefficient of x square. Here a is what? 1 and b is what? Coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is what? 3. So b is 3 and the constant term c. In the given polynomial, constant term c is what? 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 0. What is sum of roots? Alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. So minus, what is the value of b? 3. And what is the value of a? 1. So minus 3 by 1. So it is minus 3. And product of roots what? Alpha into beta equal to c by a. What is c? 0 by 1. So it is 0. So sum of roots minus 3 and the product of roots 0. Now exercise 3.9 second question third part. Find the sum and the product of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is 3 plus 1 by a equal to 10 by a square. So whenever you want to find sum and the product of roots, first we have to bring it in the form of what? General form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is what? 3 plus 1 by a equal to 10 by a square. If you cross multiply here, 3a plus 1 by a equal to 10 by a square. In the division a square, in this side multiple a square up a square into 3a plus 1 by a equal to 10. A square cancel panna, we will have a. So a into 3a plus 1 equal to 10. So take a, multiply inside. A into 3a square, a into 1, a equal to 10. Now bring this 10 to left hand side, it will be what? Minus 10. So 3a square plus a minus 10 equal to 0. Now only it is looking like what? Our general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Since the given variable is what? A. So coefficient of a square is what? A. Here coefficient of a square is what? 3. So capital A is equal to 3. And the coefficient of a is what? B. Here coefficient of a is what? 1. So b is equal to 1. And constant term c, here the constant term c is what? Minus 10. So we know that sum of roots equal to what? Alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. So minus b 1 and by a is what? 3. So minus 1 by 3. Product of roots what? Alpha into beta equal to c by a. The value of c is what? Minus 10 and value of a is what? 3. So product of roots minus 10 by 3 and sum of roots minus 1 by 3. Second question, fourth part. Find the sum and the product of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. Our quadratic equation is 3y square minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So here the variable is what? Y. So I am comparing with the general form. How we have to take? How we have to take? Ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. So the coefficient of y square is a. So here the coefficient of y square is what? 3. So a is equal to 3. Coefficient of y is b. Here the coefficient of y is what? Minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. And the constant term c is equal to minus 4. Coefficient of y is b. Here coefficient of y is what? Minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Therefore a is equal to 3. B is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. We know that sum of roots equal to what? Alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. The value of b is what? Minus 1. Minus of minus 1 by the value of a is what? 3. So it is minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So it is plus 1 by 3. And product of roots what? Alpha into beta equal to c by a. The value of c is what? Minus 4 and the value of a is what? 3. So minus 4 by 3. Therefore the sum of roots equal to 1 by 3 and product of roots equal to minus 4 by 3. Thank you students.